Watch your paddle. Don't make it with your paddle.
Say hi. Hi, you guys. So we are literally like in the middle of nowhere. In the water. On a boat. And it's really peaceful. I see the highlight. Y'all see this? Man, you are so gorgeous.
So are you?
Thank you. I'm getting hungry now. Do y'all want to go through this with us? Hold on. You think I might get my phone wet if I might paddle too?
Yeah, a little bit. I think you should do that. You're risking it.
Yeah, I could get
She's risking it, y'all.
I put it on the.
Yo, you seen that?
That was you, Claire.
Yeah, that was
Claire, you about to make us fall.
Yo, there's shit jumping out the water randomly.
Claire.
Like just shit jumping out. Like we don't know what it is.
They was just laughing at I had that shit on live, and I was like, yo, I'm out of here. I'm out.
Yo, there's shit jumping out the water. Like what is in this water? You got
Fish.
We don't know.
Fish is in here.
Nah, there's other things.
It's like
I can't see.
catfish. Claire, you every time you do that, we tip over. Claire, please stop. Stop. Stop.
Baby,
Claire,
on
we're gonna
the
fall.
treetop. When the wind
Claire,
blows,
please.
the cradle will rock. Yo, you lucky you pregnant. I'd have just.
You bold. You would have did that to me?
Nah, I would do that to you.
Nah, this water.
Yeah, just not here.
It's-
And there's a camera, phone on
It's
deck.
boo-boo in this water, probably. Anyway, what you want to eat,
Yo, we
Claire?
can't even see them niggas no more.
Nah, the one nigga by himself, he bounced all the way out.
No, the couple.
The couple?
Oh. I feel like we should go further out.
Are you serious? Claire's gonna take us forever to get back.
We gotta go against the current. We come back.
Against the current? So, this way? No, I just tried just a little bit, and it was just hard.
Chilling now. Now I got the balance.
My foot itching, I can't itch it.
You scared to bend over?
I ain't gonna bend over, bump that. Wait, let me see. Oh, I could do it. I could itch it. Ooh. Oh, I'm cramping.
At least I'm not throwing it in the water.
You put it out in the water, though.
All that shit in this water, that's not.
Y'all, Claire is trolling about them felines.
Shit's ugly. It's not about the price. It's just that them shits is ugly.
Babe.
And people are mad that they're ugly. That's it. People saying that, oh, if it was 1,500, 800, I would have got them.
Truthfully, let me tell you.
I'm very picky when it comes to feet.
Truthfully, I think the felines are nice.
Now, yeah, I'm not going for Queen. Queen wants to get them.
I like the
I
felines.
really don't want her to get them.
He like, no, you my shorty, no. You ain't walking around in them. I don't see what's so bad about them.
It's not. People are only wearing them because it's the wave. Like, it's a trend.
They remind me of like
we
old
don't
school.
follow trends, Queen. That's not what we do. You know what I'm saying? We create trends.
We create trends. I get
We
you.
start the wave. You know what I'm saying?
Babe,
A couple famous people put them on their feet. Now they valid. Like, stop it. Y'all only doing that because, stop it. It's not about the price. It's not about none of
I'm about
that.
to wear Fat Farms then.
Bring it back. If they fire, bring them back. It's
Oh.
not about the brand. Remember in Urban Outfitters, there was a fire pair of felines in there. Remember I told you I'll wear those.
Oh, okay.
There
It's
was
just
a
them
good
times.
pair, like the old Pablo Escobar joints.
Oh, I'm
Not
cramping.
the, like, those remind me like the Spice Girls or something.
Babe! Okay. All right. What are you
I'm
doing?
turning around.
We going out there?
Yeah. Right? Y'all want to see us go further, right? You shouldn't even be live. They gotta watch this on the vlog.
Oh, yeah. We putting this on the vlog,
Y'all
y'all.
watch this on the vlog, y'all. Go watch the vlog. If you reach back here and give me a kiss, you're gonna fall.
You reach up here and give me a kiss. I'm scared. Oh my God, wait, I don't think we can do it. No! Babe, please! Please! Claire! Stop! Claire!
Yeah, baby.
No!
I'm trying to stand.
No! Please, Claire, please, please, don't do that. Please.
No, I'm not gonna do
I'm
it.
getting off of here.
But if we almost fall, I'm gonna fall by myself.
Claire, no! What am
I'm
I?
not gonna do that.
No, because if you reach back up in a boat, I'm falling with you. We falling together, like.
Okay, ride it down. Okay, let's get it.
All right, man. I gotta get off of here.
I just want to say, I've been the only one paddling for about 25 minutes.
No, you have not, because you just started
I'm
paddling.
burning.
You just started paddling again. All right, y'all. We about to get off so we can actually do something.
I thought we was getting noticed on the
Bruh.
road. I'm like, yo, stop. That's busy.
All right, y'all. I'm about to get off so that we both can paddle together. All right. Say bye, Claire.
Bye. Love y'all.
Love y'all. Appreciate y'all.